I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to print your packing slip for an eBay sale from the eBay app on your Android device. Step 1. Open the eBay app on your Android device and then tap Selling in the menu on this screen. Your eBay selling screen is displayed. Step 2. Choose Orders in the menu. Items you've recently sold on eBay will be listed. Step 3. Navigate to the item you sold and already purchased a shipping label for that you need to print, and then tap that specific item. You'll land on the order details screen for that item. Step 4. Tap the drop-down arrow next to the Leave Feedback button. The Order Actions menu pops up. Step 5. Tap Manage Shipping in this menu. A label details screen opens where you'll see the eBay shipping label you've already purchased. Step 6. Tap the ellipses to open a Shipping Actions menu and then tap Print Packing Slip. A printable version of your eBay packing slip will be displayed that you can print. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.